pulled up to the shop. We're in the truck today. Yesterday's work, we got the motor fully off of the frame. As you can see, we got everything off. This is the Milwaukee 8. This is our frame, subframe and swing arm. About to take these to the powder coat, clean up everything, get everything else going on. But before we do that, I gotta go drop this dude dirt bike off at the shop. So we about to get this thing going. So let's stay tuned, y'all. So that's a wrap. We need to slide this thing over, so that over there. But yeah, we about to pretty much just go take this frame, crash bar, get this thing going, man. Stay tuned, y'all. About to take these to the powder coat shop. Stay tuned. What's going on, YouTube? We out here on the way to the powder coat shop. Man, I'm so excited. I got that bike done. I'm trying to get everything else going. I'm trying to really find another good bike at the auction so I can give me another build to flip while I'm building this bike. So we're gonna see what happens first.
1, 2,
1, 2, and the 3. But when you do it, I want you to be careful with the hose right here, with the threads.
Yeah, we hit the plug-in.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Back up in this thing. We just moved the dirt bike out. It strapped up. About to slide. We out here in LA at the Harley motorcycle dirt bike shop. Woo. Wow. Can I have you park in the black patch in the center? Right here? Yeah, pull up right there. All right. Got the Harleys out. About to drop this thing. Got the bikes coming in. Out here hot, burning up. Sunny LA. By the famous SpaceX Tesla. We out here got baby rolling. For some reason, I like this truck dirty. It's one of my only trucks. Look at all this dirt. This thing look good though. We out here rolling. Got our fender, got our wraparound, brand new in the box for 21. I'm gonna give it to my boy and take his 23. I'm not using this one, but you see it's real metal, the real deal, nothing plastic, nothing like that. So we done made it back to the house, had to drop my brother dirt bike off so he could start getting that thing built by that guy. So far, we didn't clean these shoes, about to let them dry for a minute, take them back in the crib. So I clean and restore shoes, from cleaning and painting to cleaning, customizing. Shoes like these I clean, that's what the customer want, but I offered my help. Like I could have painted this fresh white, but he said he wants to leave it, so gonna focus on that. But yeah, we out here just working, trying to get this money, man. Stay tuned. We about to go pick up some more stuff. So we over here, we pulling up to the powder coat shop. I'm about to check out to see if he made any progress or if he's done. Yeah. So we out here driving to this registration lady real quick. She does all my paperwork for my cars with everything. So we heading her to pick up the paperwork for the truck. As you can see, we got our pieces to the bike in here. We got a 1-day job in about 3 to 4 hours, I'll say. But it's looking good. And we are coming together, man. Stay tuned. Man, so even though we kind of start our day kind of late, we even got a good little move going. We are headed to the shop right now so we can try to get the frame going back. We're gonna try to put that in the shop, sit it down, get the harness cleaned up, start assuming everything back together. Pretty much after that, I'm gonna clean up the shop. I got tools everywhere from taking the bike apart. I'm not a dirty person. I like all my stuff clean and organized. That's the whole point. I got that dresser with the tools. So we're gonna go back, clean up, get the frame right. We already went and took my brother dirt bike to the shop. I just came from the registration spot. I got my paperwork for the truck, so we're working out. Day going smooth. Stay tuned, man. As you can see, we went and switched cars. Got the frame looking nice and clean, man. Second piece, then we got the third swing arm right here up front with me. But everything working out cool, man. I cannot wait for y'all to see how this bike come out. Like, at first, it was just more so like, I'm tired of riding the basic bike. I want my bike just different. Now, like, once you get to doing this, it's like, man, it's nonstop. Like, I'm ready to take a whole nother batch up there and get it going. Like, but I gotta just separate everything, see what I'm gonna do, what color and what. So we're gonna just get that going, man. But like I said, stay tuned, man. For real, stay tuned. I really want y'all to stay tuned for this bike and tune in. It's gonna be real nice, man. For real. Stay tuned for it. We back at the shop. Got everything cleaned up. Now it's time to clean all this up. We still about to powder coat a lot of these parts, so we're about to separate that and clean it up and basically move a couple stuff around, so tomorrow when we come in, we can just get straight to it. So we took a cool minute just to go over the shop. Like I said, I had tools everywhere from busting the bike down, then I had to sweep, clean up. It was so much dirt. So we finally got all 3 of these things put up nice and clean. How clean that is. But yeah, so basically we about to sit down, chill, write some stuff down, go over this bike and how I'm about to do it and get everything else going. But we made some progress already. Just from yesterday, we had the whole bike complete, rode it to the shop. Now we got the frame powder coated. We on to the next thing. Came out looking amazing, man. Like, look how wet that is, dude. This thing is wet. Nice and wet. I want him to tape up all the stickers. Also, the VIN number right here. You want all that taped up clean and original. So when they go back together, it look like nothing ever happened. Even with this thing, man, swing arm. I'm happy, like, I am for sure excited. Can't wait to get this thing going. I remember just when I had that build like this. So now we about to get everything else going, man. Got the shop cleaned up, everything right. Once again, about to leave this bad baby until tomorrow. Thing is so wet and clean. Got my pieces I'm about to drop. Some more clean stuff, man. But yeah, we about to we're gonna bust this motor down this week for sure and get on this thing so we can get this nice and clean. Order the wheels up, and that's pretty much it, man. I'm about to head out. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Check back in with y'all in a minute, man. Thank you.